With a few simple steps, you can control ants both inside and outside your home, making your space much more comfortable. Hi, I'm Alicia and I'm going to show you how to get rid of ants for good. Let's get into it. First off, ants are more than just a nuisance. They can contaminate food and become a persistent problem if not dealt with properly. The key is to understand why they come into your home and how to effectively target them. Ants are usually attracted to food, moisture, and warmth. If your home offers any of these, ants might find their way inside. Keeping your house clean by wiping down surfaces and storing food in airtight containers can make a big difference. But what if they're already in? Well, there's a few options you might consider. If you have pets or children, ensure you read the manufacturer's instructions prior to using the product to control the issue. Dusts and baits are often more potent and provide faster results. These are great for larger infestations but must be used with caution. The key to long-term ant control is not just to treat the ones you see, but to find and eliminate the nest. Follow the trails to locate the nest, which could be inside or outside your home. Once you've found it, you can use a direct treatment like a dust or spray to target the heart of the colony. Another strategy is to create a barrier around your home with sprays. Barrier sprays work by creating an invisible line that ants won't cross. Apply these around windows, doors, and the foundation of your home to keep ants from coming inside in the first place. Planting strong-smelling plants like lavender, garlic, or mint close to your home also helps deter them. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can significantly reduce the amount of ants in and around your home. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.